I got a junk removal gig in Delray Beach. The customer contacted me early this morning. They provided access at the entrance. Time to get this grill removed. Hi, I'm with Natural No Dump Trailer and Hauling, serving Broward, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade counties. We specialize in junk, furniture, and garage cleanouts. Give us a call today.
Do you have junk piling up? Natural No Dump Trailer and Hauling is here to help. We haul it all, you relax.
Access to the entrance is going to be an ease because the customer was mindful to text me the access code early this morning. The customer said they weren't going to be home and would push the grill to the curb for me. And lo and behold, here is the grill. This is going to be a simple job. This junk removal job paid $71 grill pickup. Today, I'll show you the entire job from start to finish. We will go from arrival to loading it up. Small jobs really matter. They help when building a business. Let's look at the numbers for this job. The payout is 71, distance was 16 miles. My vehicle averages 16 miles per gallon. Gas is 45 per gallon. That's 2 gallons of gas for round trip. Dump fees will be $0. I'm gonna donate this grill. I got someone for it. The owner mentioned that it works just fine. Small jobs like these, I do them solo because it's a good way to market the business. People see the trailers, they see the truck, they see me wearing the shirt. I actually have gotten a few jobs because of doing similar jobs. I have 3 more similar jobs like this to do today. 71, 108, 98, and 73. Total $350 payday. If you're new here, I'm building a junk removal business and documenting the journey from the beginning. Some jobs are full house clean out and others are quick pickups. Every job teaches something and helps grow the business. This grill wasn't especially heavy, but it's still important to lift correctly and secure the load. Protecting yourself and transporting items safely is part of providing a professional service. This job's $71. On its own, these smaller jobs help fill the schedule, introduce your business to new customers, and often lead to referrals. The goal isn't just today's revenue. It's building a reputation where customers think of your business whenever they need something hauled away. I'm going to take this side apart so I don't damage anything before donating the grill. I know the right person for this grill. I'll save him more by donating the grill and saving the person money as well. One thing I've learned is that consistency is more important than waiting for only large jobs. Small pickups help keep cash flow moving and build momentum. That's another job completed. Every pickup is another step toward growing this business. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you on the next job. If you enjoy following the journey of building a junk removal business from the ground up, subscribe. Be sharing real jobs, pricing, equipment, and the lessons I learn along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel. Watch me grow this business from 0 to 100,000 within 1 year. If I can do it, you can too. Just start today.